first of all we can use extrusion. So how we can use extrude command? So first of all you can select this in form, you can select this extrusion. So just click on this extrusion. So here you see this is draw option. So here you can simply draw the model. So for that you can select a line, or here you note that these are different parameters. So you can select, you can just sketch, and these are dimensions. So you can change dimension here, like I want to change 12 feet here. Here if you want to change this into 12 feet, so you can select this one. So now here you can create simple a box, then you can click on this finish edit tool. So here you see this is in 3D. So now here you see we can extend this. So here you see this is our 3D model. Now you can check realistic. Click on realistic. So this is looking realistic. So from here you can also change the material of model. You just select this model, and then in material tab you go to this material by material category. So when you click on this, here you see we have different material. Here you can create new material, you can write the name of material, like I want to add this brick, and here go to this appearance, click on this asset browser, and here you can select bricks or brick, right, brick and such in this asset browser. So here we have different type of bricks. So you can select any brick from here, and select click on OK. Then here you see this is material is created. So this is the back elevation of this material. So similarly this is front elevation, this is left elevation, and this is right elevation. So in this way we can use create extrude command in Revit.